Hi everybody. Today we're back to the hinges on the doors that you might have a sagging door and why they're sagging besides what I taught you last time. Sometimes the hinges on the doors are not tight and the screws might be stripped out. So today we're going to show you a little tip to tightening up your hinges on your doors. So the tools you're going to need while you're drinking your glass of wine some evening. Don't drink the wine first and then do this. You might screw a screw in your finger. So you're going to need some tees. For all you golfers that can't golf, I'm going to show you how to use your tees at this time of year. A couple of toothpicks, a drill, and a hammer. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take the top screw out. Let's take the top screw out. It could be the top, the middle, or the bottom. Then let's take your tee, put it in the hole, tap it in, and then snap it off. Okay? You can still use it for golf. Then let's take the screw and screw it back in. And then it tightens up. So let's show you another way by taking out another screw. And let's take the toothpicks. So just grab a few toothpicks, pop them in the hole, and then just snap them off. Keep the little plugs in there. And then take your screw, and the screw will wedge back in. And what that does is pull the hinge tight up against the door, and your door will sit back in place where it's supposed to be. So that's tightening up your hinges. So thanks for watching. I'm Butch with Destiny Homes, and we're here to help you get this project done one way or the other. By the way, you can't have our toilet paper. This is ours. We don't have any extra. Have a great day.